Hi, I'm Sydney.
And I'm Carrie.
And this is your cocktail of the week.
I love working with this stuff. So I am using Creme de Violette today.
I know, that stuff's so cool.
It's so cool. It's hard to explain what it tastes like, but just it's really yummy. It tastes like a delicate little flower. And the color is so amazing.
It is, it's so beautiful.
So I'm doing 3 ounces of the Creme de Violette. I'm doing 6 ounces of Laughing Glass Classic Margarita. So I'm making 2 cocktails here.
And we have somebody special here today.
It's hard to work.
We're going to pick him up. Like you feel
Oh
me. He's being a little wiggle worm. Hi, say hi. This is our new chocolate chunk. Oh, yeah, this is Walter.
So cute. Okay, we are also working. And 2 ounces of grapefruit soda. This is a really light grapefruit soda. There's not a ton of flavor to it. It's just mostly sparkle. So look for one of those. And then give it a nice little stir. Hold that up in there. The color is phenomenal. And we have 2 martini glasses that have been chilling.
Fantastic.
And I am just going to pour that in. And I love walking around with a purple cocktail.
I know, it's the best.
I love it. It's so pretty. And that's it. You look so sophisticated. Sophisticated.
Sophisticated. Cheers.
Cheers. Enjoy.
Yum. That is good.
It's so good.
I'm super glad we have this since Walter's destroying something in the other room right now.
Drink up.
Cheers.